Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where you get the error, Windows cannot get the network settings from the router error, then please watch this video. Now there are two cases to it. One is that the internet is not working on any of your device, and to verify this, check the internet on your phone when it is connected to the same router as your computer is connected. If that works on your phone, then it means that you must be getting an Apipa IP on your computer. So the main solution is to power cycle the modem router on computer. Now I'll tell you how to do it. Switch off the modem, router, computer, all these three devices. Now only switch on the modem, wait till all the lights are stable, each and every light, then switch on the router, wait till all the lights are stable, and then switch on the computer. If you have a combined modem router, like a router which has an inbuilt modem, then switch off the router and computer, switch on the router only, wait till all the lights are stable, and then switch on the computer. Okay. And if that doesn't help, then simply network reset, because that will cover all the commands like flushing the DNS, resetting IP address, resetting WinSock, everything. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then you can go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings, click on network reset, click on reset now, and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.